What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So my kiddos did just get dropped off from their grandparents, so I'm gonna try to rush through this really quickly. But these are the vibes today. I'm going for Rainbow Flames, which was actually inspired by this beautiful, lovely girl right here, Gabrielle. Ever since she first posted this on Instagram, I saved it and I've been wanting to do it, and so this was the year that I finally decided to try it. And I didn't do the neck flames because this honestly took me 3 hours on top of taking care of my kids. Like, whenever I film and everything, obviously, like, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I still have to like take care of my kids, of course, you know what I mean? So on top of having to like do this artistic stuff, also having to, you know, feed my kids, or if they're getting into something, gotta get them, or if they made a mess, gotta clean it. So this took me 3 hours to do today. I don't think it'll take you, if you probably have an hour and a half to sit down before Halloween, you could probably knock this out if you don't got 3 kids like I do. So yeah, this is a vibe, and shout out to Gabrielle for just having such an amazing brain. I wish I could see inside her brain, you know what I mean? I am going to be doing the eyes as well as the awesome flames with you guys today. So if you are curious to see how I created this stunning flame look, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. I already primed my eyelids. I'm actually going to try to do both eyes at the same time because I'm kind of just winging it off of the picture that I showed you guys in the intro. So I'm going to be going in with my Carnival XL Pro palette. So it looks like this. If you don't know, where have you been? And I'm going to start by taking the red, which is called Inferno. Okay. So I'm just going to take this on a little packing brush and apply it right in the inner corner on both eyes. Okay, next I'm gonna take the purple, which is called Wasted, and I'm gonna lay this right next to the red. It's a curse, really. And then next, I'm going to take the blue, which is called Mood. I'm going for a full cut crease, so I'm going to kind of, oops. So I'm literally just taking the color and just placing it down, softening the edges. That way when I go in with my next colors, they're super easy to blend. Just like so. So to blend out the red, I'm gonna take the shade Lit and Keen. I'm gonna go in with the Carnival 3 because it has all of the Carnival purples, and I'm gonna take the shade Tahiti to blend out the purple. Okay, so now going back into the XL Pro, I'm going to take the shade Soft Spot and Why Though. This is kind of the general story. Okay, so this is kind of the vibe. Now I'm gonna go through and build all those colors up because obviously it kind of looks not great. So just starting this way, I'm gonna just put all the colors up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut out my crease. doing my eyes at the same time is a fucking vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna take my P. Louise Basic Brights. I'm gonna take the Hint of Mint and the Yummy Yellow, and I'm gonna mix them together to get a beautiful lime green color to lay down over my lid. So before I move on to the other eye, I'm gonna go in with my Carnival 3 palette. So I'm gonna go in with the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti, and I'm gonna take the green shimmer, which is called Tahiti Green. And I'm gonna pack it all over my lid. Okay, so I am gonna do a little liner moment. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take some more of my base. Always based on an angled brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing liner moment. So I'm gonna take the red, which is called Inferno. And I'm gonna start it here. Then I'm going to take the purple right next to it. And then I'm going to take the blue, which is called Mood. We've got to make some noise. We are here. 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 We're back in the browser filled. We're back in the browser filled. So my face is done. So now we could do like the cool part, the designs. Actually, I should finish my eyes, shouldn't I? Okay, we're gonna finish our eyes first. So I'm gonna do just the same, I think, liner. I'm gonna bring it around town. I'm gonna start off with the red. I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, we'll do some purple. And the blue. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this nude liner and I'm gonna outline my flame design before I go in and, you know, go in with color. Sorry, my nose ring. If you guys ever see stuff sticking on my nose ring, it's because my hoops, like the hooks, are like, they're like right there. Can't really get much further back than that. So in her picture she goes down her neck, but I'm not that extra bougie. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my P. Louise bases. Let's see what we got here. We got red, purple, blue, orange, green, and yellow. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take this whole situation here now that I laid the paints down, and I'm going to set them with the shadows from my same palette that I use, the Covergirl XL. So let me get you guys down a smidge bit. Okay, so I want a really, really vibrant pastel yellow. So I'm gonna take my All I See Is Signs, of course, and I'm gonna take my All I See Is Signs palette, and I'm gonna take the pastel yellow. Now that the color is on, I gotta add the dimension. So I'm gonna go around with my bronzer actually. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Shack Silhouette Contour Palette because it's all the different shades that I'll ever possibly need for like just deepening this up. So I'm just gonna use some of these colors and you'll see what I mean. I'm gonna do it. So here is the completed look. You know, I think it looks cool. I think it looks so good, especially with like the contacts and everything. I went ahead and I added just these little spider earrings because I thought they were just so cute. But yeah, I feel like the main part of this whole look is this is just very time consuming to draw the flames on, but other than that I think that this was very super simple and very stunning. And yeah, that is just about it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you enjoy my videos, and without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead and roll the clip.